Hey there, my awesome friends! Welcome to another episode of K-Organic. Did you know that carrots are not only delicious, but also incredibly healthy? They're a root veggie that's enjoyed all around the world and used in many dishes and salads. Today, we're going to explore the fantastic benefits of carrots and how they can improve our health. So, let's get started. Carrots are a powerhouse of nutrients. They're loaded with vitamins and minerals such as vitamin K, potassium, and iron. Vitamin A is crucial for maintaining healthy vision, skin, hair, and nails, while vitamin K helps with blood clotting, prevents cardiovascular disease, promotes bone health, and even boosts brain function. Potassium is essential for healthy blood pressure and muscle function, while iron is necessary for the production of red blood cells in our bodies. Carrots are also fantastic for digestion. They're high in fiber, which promotes healthy digestion, prevents constipation, and keeps our blood sugar levels in check, reducing the risk of heart disease. And that's not all, folks. Carrots are excellent for our skin, too. They help prevent acne and wrinkles and even promote the production of collagen, which is essential for healthy, glowing skin. Plus, drinking carrot juice is a game changer when it comes to tanning. When it comes to eye health, carrots are the real MVP. They're rich in beta-carotene, which converts to vitamin in our bodies. Vitamin A is vital for maintaining healthy eyesight and preventing vision problems, like macular degeneration. Lastly, carrots are low in calories and help control weight. Their high fiber content makes them an excellent food for maintaining a healthy weight. Plus, the fiber in carrots helps control appetite, reducing the number of calories we consume. So, my lovely friends, make sure to add carrots to your meals or drinks to enjoy all these fantastic health benefits. And if you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much.
Please leave a pineapple or carrot emoji in the comments to let me know you watched the full video, and I'll respond to your comments.
Don't forget to share this video with others who need to know this valuable information. If you want more healthy tips, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss any updates. Take care, and God bless you all.